Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can install and play Fortnite. So if your Fortnite is not showing on your iPhone device or iPad, in this tutorial I'm gonna exactly show you how you can download it. I'm gonna show you how you can play it. So if it's not showing on your device, what you can do is just go to App Store and just simply type in Fortnite. Once you type it in, you'll see Fortnite Battle Royale right over here. And obviously, if you can't see this on your device, just check out the game's system requirements, because its compatibility works on iOS 17 or later, or even if you're on iPad, it should be iPad OS 17. So just check your compatibility. If your compatibility is not matching, you cannot download it. But once you go right over here, you can just simply press on download right over here, and once you press on it, it will start downloading, and it's 2.3 gigabytes, so it might take a while to download. Once it's downloaded, just open the app and it will start to play, and you can play the game directly. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.